Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, I thought that I would give you guys a double header, a 2-for-1, and that is covering something for both the Super Bowl and Valentine's Day because they are right next to each other this year. So with that being said, let's get started with Valentine's Day. With all that is going on in today's world, I would highly suggest doing a beautiful Valentine's Day dinner for your family, or a dinner for two, or a solo date. Over the years, I have shared a plethora of videos showcasing how to set up a tablescape from start to finish, and I'll be sure to link a Valentine's Day playlist here so you can go back and check that out. But once you come up with your color scheme and kind of the atmosphere that you want to create, then just kind of pull in the linens and the florals and the candles and all the things you need in order to create that ambiance. So here's a very simple tablescape that I put together here. You can also do kind of like a very casual date. That would be something fun for you and your special someone, or for the entire family. You could do a charcuterie board, picnic, like an indoor picnic or an indoor dinner for two. The possibilities are really limitless. You just want to be sure to have fun and enjoy one another. Another thing that you could do is, of course, set up a really cute Valentine's Day bar cart. And use a balloon, organic balloon arch. I showed you guys how to put this together step by step. I do have a free course on my website, luxeacademy.podia.com. If you guys are interested in how to put together a very simple organic balloon arch, definitely check out that free course. But the first thing I'm going to do is add this stack of books that I picked up earlier this year from the Dollar Tree, along with a gorgeous arrangement of fresh florals. And in Luxe Academy, the paid version of Luxe Academy, I do share with you guys how to put together both large, medium, and oversized floral arrangement. So if you're interested in that course while you're checking out the free courses, definitely look at checking out those as well. The next thing that I'm going to do is to add some sparkling grape juice inside of a small wine bottle holder, and then I added a tassel over the wine bottle along with two beautiful bubble wine glasses that I got from Amazon, and they are in the color blush. Now, last year when I shared my tablescape with you guys, I created these two mirror coasters using mirrors from the Dollar Tree and my Cricut maker, and so I am using those again this year. I love to make projects that I use again and again over time. On the bottom of the bar cart, I am adding in more wine glasses and some beautiful paper straws as well. And so the red wine glasses I've shared with you guys before, and I love them because you can use them all throughout the year. I use them for the 4th of July, I use them for Valentine's Day, for Christmas, Memorial Day. There are so many different ways and times that you can use them. And then I'm going to add in some blush pink plates along with some pink and white paper napkins. And I also created this sign using an acrylic picture frame from the Dollar Tree, and I used this last year, made it as well last year, and I used this last year as well. I think it would be really cute for a dinner for a table of one. And so that completes the bar cart. Very simple, very easy to do, and you can create a charcuterie board for grazing for everyone. Next up is the Super Bowl bar cart. And this was something I really challenged myself to do because I wanted it to be an elegant bar cart, but kind of, have that whole football feel. And so I decided to go with green and gold and black and white for my color scheme. And I just took a picture, and I am adding a piece of greenery on top in order to create that centerpiece look. I'm taking what I have on hand in order to create the overall look and feel that I want. Now, for the candle, the taper candles, I did want to use both of them striped, but I put in the polka dot just to make it you know, stand out a little bit. And then in the top of the centerpiece, I'm adding this wooden Go Team megaphone to just kind of add to that whole Super Bowl vibe. Next up, I'm adding in some small bowls. These would be great for housing nuts and mints and, you know, or maybe even dips or whatever you want to house, or garnishments for your drinks. On the bottom, I have these cute little Super Bowl helmets and a small ice pail that I thought was super cute to add as well. And then I am adding in a bottle of sparkling Welch's grape juice, but the green version, and I thought that paired in really cute as well. And if you guys remember, I've also done a video in the past where I showed you guys a DIY charcuterie board that I did for Robert, and I will link that video here so that you can check it out. It's an oldie but goodie, but I think that it would be a good one to tie in with this Super Bowl themed bar cart. And then I just added in the black and gold Onyx glasses. I absolutely love it. I love the simplicity of it all. Again, the tutorial for the organic balloon arch can be found in Luxe Academy on Podia. And I love this dish towel that says, "We interrupt this marriage to bring you football season." Very Carey gifted me this years ago. So that is all of my tips and ideas, you guys, for Valentine's Day. You can also add in a couple of fun pillows and some rose petals and things of that nature, just to make, you know, things a little bit different and to spice things up a little bit this year. So you guys be sure to let me know down in the comments below how you plan on celebrating Valentine's Day and Super Bowl this year. Or are you going to combine the two? Are you including kids? Let me know down in the comments. And who are you pulling for? I personally think that the Bengals are going to win the Super Bowl, but you guys let me know down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!